People say, it just needs a battery, but modern no-starts are usually a full system voltage problem. Battery, alternator, starter, and grounds act like one ecosystem, and every module depends on stable power. Short trips, high accessory loads, and heat can drain capacity faster than the alternator can restore it. Even when the car later starts, modules can remember low-voltage events that explain strange warnings. Pros don't start with guessing, they follow a sequence: charge level, cranking behavior, capacity under load, then wiring. Open circuit voltage estimates state of charge, but it doesn't prove the battery is healthy under stress. Cranking voltage shows the stress response. A deep sag points to weak capacity, high draw, or resistance. Here's the trap. A battery can look fine at rest, yet collapse when a real load hits. Load and internal resistance testing reveal true state of health, including cold start capability and age-related capacity fade. Next, verify charging control. Alternator output must replenish smoothly, even with lights, blower, and defrost loads. Scan data adds context. You're looking for patterns of low or high system voltage across multiple modules. Then check voltage drop. Tiny resistance at terminals, grounds, or cables can steal starting power. If the starter draws unusually hard, or the cable path chokes flow, the battery may look guilty. Repeated dead batteries can also be parasitic drain. The car should sleep quietly, not wake intermittently. The key is repeatability. Fully charge first, verify connections, retest, then confirm behavior under real operating loads. Red flags mean stop. Swollen case, leaks, melted plastic, burning smell, or repeated no start right after replacement. Unstable voltage can cascade into safety and driver assist faults, because sensitive modules hate noise and brownouts. DIY testing is fine for basics, but avoid probing safety-related wiring. Professional diagnostics follow strict isolation procedures. Lock and Cal's takeaway: test the whole system, interpret context, protect electronics, and don't erase evidence before you understand it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cal for more content like this.